go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so today's video is sponsored by LARIMA hair off of Amazon. Today's video, I'm going to be using this 13 by 4 curly wig, inch 14. And as you can see, this wig came curly and it was also black. But if you guys want to see how I fully got it the color I did, keep watching. So to bleach this hair, I'm using 40 volume developer with bleaching powder that I already mixed up. So right at this moment, you guys, I am just pretty much bleaching the hair, and I started with the bleach towards the end of the hair, then I worked my way up to the top. So I pretty much went all the way up into a little bit to the roots. I didn't want to dye the roots, so I just kind of stayed towards the end of the hair to bleach it. Okay guys, so we're almost done bleaching the hair. I believe I left the bleach on the hair for about 20 to 30 minutes if I'm not mistaken, and once I left it on there, I washed it out, which I did not show in this video, and once I washed it out, I pretty much just let it air dry. Okay guys, so right now I'm just going to put this wig on to kind of fit it to my head. As usual, I always put the wig on and I cut the sides off again just to kind of get the wig to fit my head. And as you see guys, here is the finished look of the bleaching I did. And towards the end of the video, I will explain that I had to bleach this hair 3 times because I pretty much had a vision of the color that I wanted the wig, and I wanted it like a multicolor wig. But when I dyed the hair that multicolor, I didn't like it, so I went back in and bleached this wig 2 other times than the time that you seen on the video. Okay guys, so today we are gluing this wig down with the Mean Grip adhesive. And yes, you guys, I right now am gluing this wig down with a ball cap. I pretty much did a ball cap, the ball cap method, to kind of show you guys how it looked, or how to use my glue using the ball cap method, and also how a ball cap look with using the lace tint mousse. But the video in the beginning did not come out that well, so yeah, so we just left with this. But anyway, I used 3 layers, you guys, to glue this wig down. I always use 3 layers. I never use more than 3 layers. But right now I am trying to dry the glue. For some strange reason, the glue still looked it a little white, but it really wasn't. It did like dry clear, but I think it's something with the ball cap method that made it look like it was still white. But anyway, right now I am pretty much placing the wig on top of the glue, and I'm just gently massaging the lace into the glue. And once I'm done massaging it and fitting everything, I am going to tie it up and pretty much let it do it meltdown situation. Okay guys, so right now we're pretty much moving on to the baby hairs. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know how I feel about my baby hairs. I'm very particular about doing my baby hairs. Any wig that I have ever done, I always have baby hairs. And with this wig, I'm not really going to have a side part. I will pretty much have a swoop that my hair is going to one side, but I'm not going to actually put a part in the wig. But right now, you guys, I'm flat ironing, and I'm gonna pretty much create my baby hairs. And I'm going to create my baby hairs today using my lace tint mousse. And I used the lace tint mousse in sweet caramel, or sweet caramel, however you guys said. But yeah, I'm using that to pretty much tint the lace and at the same time create my baby hairs. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with my baby hairs, I'm gonna just tie my hair up for about another 10 minutes. And while my hair is tied up, I'm just gonna pretty much take my spray bottle that is with water and conditioner and spread all over the wig just to define the curls in the wig. And as I stated in the beginning, you guys, I bleached this hair 3 different times, and I was very impressed that the curls was still in the wig and that the wig was still holding up. So yeah, you guys, once I'm done spraying it and I'm going to take this scarf off, I'm going to be pretty much done with this wig. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned to see what my thoughts was on this wig. Hi guys, and welcome back. So today video is sponsored by LARIMA hair off of Amazon. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I did a review before on my channel with one of their headband wigs. So today I am coming to present this curly wig. So yes, this was a 14-inch curly 13x6 wig. Of course, when I got it, it did not come this color. I actually bleached it to this 613 blind. So let's get into what I thought about this wig. Now you guys, when I received the wig, the hair was nice and soft, which I loved. It had a slight smell to it. It wasn't nothing extreme. Once I did wash and bleach the hair, the smell went out. Now you guys, let me tell you, I bleached this hair 3 times, okay? 3 times. So the first time I bleached it, it originally came out this 613 blind, right? So I had like a vision of like really colorful hair. Like I did like streaks of multicolor in the wig, but once I did it, I didn't like it. So because I didn't like it, I went back in to try to strip the color from out of it. So with pretty much what I did, I went back in and I bleached the hair again. And when I bleached it again, some of the color was still in the wig. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wash it, let it dry, and I wound up bleaching it again for the 3rd time. So I bleached it again for the 3rd time, and when I bleached it for the 3rd time, I accidentally bleached like the roots of the hair. So after bleaching it, I pretty much went back in with some black dye and dyed the roots of it. Y'all, I tell you, this wig has been through some stuff. You hear me? It's been through some stuff. And I'm telling you, it held up pretty good. To say I bleached this wig 3 times, the curls are still in there. The hair is still pretty nice. I am so loving this wig right now. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to bring you guys another color, different style kind of thing going on here. But yeah, as I stated, I bleached this wig 3 times. And yeah, I'm so loving this wig. Now, you guys, it does give me a little shedding, but I believe the shedding is probably because when I cut the sides off, they had hair, a little hair that I cut. And also I did pluck the knots. I mean, not the knots. I did pluck the wig a little bit. And by the way, you guys, I did bleach the knots also. So yeah, if I have to rate this wig, you guys, out of a 10, I would definitely give it a 9.5. A 9.5. Because again, this wig, this is the first time I ever seen a wig bleach 613, you guys. Yes, 613. And this wig held up pretty good after me bleaching this wig 3 times. So yeah, I'm all for this wig. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. Like I said, I'm loving this wig. I gave it a 9.5, so I'm loving the wig. But yeah, you guys, definitely let me know down in the description bar what you think of the color and also the style of the wig. Just let me know your comments down in the description, I mean the comment section. And if you have any questions about this wig, leave it in the comment section. Also, I'm definitely going to leave all the information about this wig in the description bar if you guys want to purchase this wig and all other products that I use in this video. Yeah, you guys, I think that's pretty much it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. And also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, and definitely share, like, comment, all that good stuff that needs to be done in this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.